is for you to have a spectrum. This is what you need to do because spectrum, when you have more than a gig, that's not good for gaming. So it create a lot of latency. So I will show you what you can do to fix that. Just go to your router GUI. Let me log in. I will show you what to do. So you will go here. You will create an interface and a separate interface. So you will do it like this. You just click add and you just put your name here or whatever you want to name the interface. You just click on static, and you just pick the port on the back of your router that you want to assign the interface. So I picked just for the tutorial purposes. I just picked the port 3. See here, LAN 3, the port 3. I name it gaming PC. I already did it, so it's here. So after that, after you create it, you're gonna go here to the bridge, configure it, and on tag. See here, all these ports are tagged. I just on tag this one, the port 3. You have to do it because if you don't on tag this, the separate port is not gonna work. So you have to separate it from the LAN. After you hit that, just click save, and now you will create your separate LAN. You will see here, see you're gonna put a static IP. I just put 50 just for the tutorial. I just put 50, 21, 24. I just put ignore because if you see here in my PC, I just created a static IP. See, I just put 50, 219, whatever, 51. So creating it like that, I don't have to have this on. But if you want DHCP, if you don't want to do a static IP, you can untick this. So after you create it, just go on advanced and use custom DNS. You're gonna use this. What this will do is use your spectrum on DNS. You need that. You need to, and when you create the firewall, you need to create a separate firewall. So you will, this will appear blank. So you you put it gaming, whatever the firewall. After you create it, click save. You're gonna go here to firewall and see gaming. What you're gonna do here is open this and tag it to the one. Allow forward destination to the one. That's it. And from there, you're gonna be good. From there, what you're gonna need to do is go to the SQM and create a different. See, I disabled this because this I had it on the one. Remember when I tell you to do it? But because you're doing a separate interface, that's gonna be because you got gig internet. That's not good. This is gonna create a lot of latency. So this is the way to fix that. You're gonna tag the SQM to this, to the port you created, and see, I put my like this is something you have to know when you create put the SQM on a different. I don't know why it's like that, but it's like that. It's gonna be backwards. The upload is gonna be download, and the download is gonna be the upload. So don't get confused in that. So see, I put upload 5 megabits, and I put download 40 megabits, and just click the same thing here. Do not squash. And what you need to do now is go to the script that I tell you. Then you're gonna have to load the script, but with the different IP, the same way. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna change the IP now on the script. The script that I show you now, you're gonna put the IP now, the new IP of the you got from that interface. See, you just go on the script. Let me see where I had it. Right here. Let me see. Right here. You're just gonna put, see, the IP of your new interface. There is 5019. That's the IP, the new IP for my device. And that's it. And load it like I showed you in the first video. And that's it. Then you're gonna have this again. You have to do this again because you're creating a new interface just to combat that buffer blow. See, if I go here, the buffer blow, and test it. I always test it like this. Don't test it with nothing running in the network. You always want to have like a video, whatever video you want
Hey
running.
guys, it's
Let me, whatever video you want running and things running in your house on Wi-Fi, and then you do the test like this, cause that gonna do a real test. You don't want to do it with nothing running on the background. You have to put some stress on your network, so see if this is working right. So see, I put 40 on the download, 40 on the download, and 5 megabit on the upload. That's the only way you can fix your high speed. And you don't need all that high speed for gaming. Like I tell you, games only gonna use max 600 kbps. That's nothing. And it will be a miracle if it reach this. It never gonna reach this. So see, and forget about this, cause we're not gonna do no video conference or nothing. We just gaming gonna use real less than this and real super less than this. Why you need to focus in this. See, I got 0000. That's how you're gonna fix your buffer blow and your high latency. You have to separate, make a different interface like I show you, and put the SQM, the QoS on that interface, and that's it. You don't have to worry about this or worry about this. The port's gonna be tagged to this, so everything you use on your device when you're gaming is gonna prioritize your ports that I tell you to make. All these ports, they're gonna prioritize first. So that's how you do it. If you have, it's not only for this guy over here. It's for anyone. If you have higher bandwidth and you have buffer blow and you lagging too much, that's how you do it. You have to create a new interface like I show you here. Just follow. And if you have any question, just ask me. I'm here to help you. Anyone who needs some help.